first advanced step is a variation on the fifth position breaks, a fancier way of doing them.
Remember, several steps we have in several different dances have this drop the hand to the waist and push away. Have some East Coast steps that do that, West Coast steps that do that, and so on. Well, here's another one. Forward left, side together, side, and as you tip to the side this time, drop the hand to the waist. Now both partners step straight back. This is not a fifth position. Straight apart. Apart, together, arch. He arches the girl. He does another straight back. This is not fifth position for the guy. She's doing underarm turn. Straight back, return, side. Now, fifth position, side, fifth position, side. And you can end it there if you want to, like we did the other one. Quick, quick, slow.